Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope always of an operation suspended on some Kehen Tohoku land and Tokaido land expected to resume or at 5:14 p.m. According to JRS, operation on the Kehen Tohoku line have been suspended due to a fatal accident that occurred between trust and operation suspended on some Kehen Tohoku line and Tokaido line expected to resume or around 4 14 p.m. Please viewer subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further information and like my video and share my video social media Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you very much for watching my video and like my video. Thank you everyone.